Good morning, Kinders and Kinder families. Today is Friday, May 22nd, going into the nice long Memorial Day weekend. I hope everyone has a great one. I know the weather doesn't look super great, but family time is always fun time. So let's look at our learning goals for today. Friday, I added our technology link. If you haven't done your media link activities this week, be sure to click on that. Alphabet countdown to summer, letter R, is all about rockets today. So you get to read a story, you can watch a rocket launch video, and then if you end up having some fun even this weekend with some rockets, make sure you share them on Seesaw with the rest of us. In math, you're going to finish up subtraction story problems. There's a practice on the activity. If you've already done it, you're done for the day, unless you're ready to take on the math challenge. You can try that game out today. Reading is day 5. I can find out information using text and illustrations. Phonics day 5, check out the virtual construction site and listen to chapter 7 of Junie B. Jones. Don't forget to practice those ball words. Health, you're going to review and share what you learned about frogs this week. And there's a Seesaw activity called Write Your Own Frog Book. So have fun with that. Have a great day and a great weekend, and I will see you back here on Tuesday. Bye.